Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change hair color in Canva. Yes, that is possible. You can change hair color in Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. So I've copied this random image from the internet and pasted over here. So this is the image of a girl. Let's say this. Okay, let's not do that. Is it touch? Maybe it's just like increase the size so that it's more visible. So let's say I want to change hair color of this girl right here. So in order to do that, let's click on this image, and the top bar you can see the option of edit. Let's tap in there, and once you tap in there, you can see in left corner you can see various options like busy remover, magic eraser, and grab text, magic edit. So these are all like unfortunately these are all like premium version, like the pro version, but I'm going to show you how you can do it. You can simply tap in this magic edit over here. Since I don't have a pro account, I cannot use that, but I hope you have one, so you know do that. So you can simply type magic edit, and here you can change the hair color of this girl according to your preference, however you want to change it, whatever color you want to change it into. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.